Do you want to work at the cafe during working holiday? Do you love coffee and want to make latte art? At JIC, you can learn practical barista skills while studying English. The JIC Barista Training Program is an optional program made up of 12 sessions. Each session is 1 hour long, and the program is taught by experienced baristas at JIC's Cafe. In the first part of the program, students learn the basics of coffee, including how to use the coffee machine, the history of coffee, different types of beans, and the differences between popular cafe drinks. Students also practice making drinks such as Café Latte and Cappuccino. In the second half, students use real cafe equipment and practice making coffee and latte art. Even beginners can aim to create simple latte art by themselves. The program also includes a midterm test and a final test. Students practice explaining what they have learned in English, such as the difference between Arabica and Robusta, or the difference between a latte and a cappuccino. This helps students build both coffee knowledge and practical English skills for working in a cafe. After passing the final test, students receive a certificate of completion. This program is especially recommended for students planning to go on a working holiday. For those who want to work in a cafe overseas, having barista experience before departure can give them confidence. JIC also offers a Cafe OJT program where students can gain practical experience at a real bistro cafe in Baguio. By combining barista training with Cafe OJT, students can prepare for their working holiday in a more practical way. Learn English, gain practical skills, and make your study abroad experience more meaningful. Start your barista journey at JIC Premium.